Bonafide Hustler here,
E-Money here.
and today it's raining. It's a Saturday. We'll show you how to make some money on a Saturday with rain. We're gonna go thrifting today, and basically what that is, if you're picking up this channel for the very first time, is we are gonna go to thrift stores and find used items to resell on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace for more money. So that's what we're doing today. Join the Bonafide Brigade. Hit the like button down below, and make sure you're subscribed with that little bell next to it. It's very important. What do you think we're gonna find today, man?
I don't know, but we have this really cool sponsor today.
We do?
Yeah.
Who's that?
It's called the Green Room.
Oh yeah, cool. Green Room just sponsored us. I have no affiliation with them, although I own it. I'm a part owner. Okay, but we're also gonna have a special person in the car with us to go thrifting, and he's a young thrifter. I have met him before in Arkansas. So let's go pick him up and let's get to our first thrift store. What up, bro?
Hi.
Good to see you again, man.
Yeah.
Our paths cross again. This is Kaiser from Arkansas, right?
Yep.
Yep. And where do you live? Is it Bentonville or Fayetteville?
I live in Fort Smith.
Fort Smith. All right, you ready to go hustle today?
Yeah.
All right, let's go in, man.
Hey, Emerson. Nice to meet you.
So we're gonna go thrifting today. This guy, we're gonna show him his very first thrift stores. He's never been thrifting before, right?
Sure. On the road for like 2 weeks now.
Oh yeah?
Day, so.
And that thing's got some inventory in it?
Yeah.
Nice. So let's go down to a thrift store right now and knock it out. We'll get some coffee, maybe cap it off with some tacos. Yeah, you ready to find some good stuff?
Yep.
You want to say anything to the vlog real quick? You got anything you want to plug?
Nothing right now.
Nothing right now. All right, if you want to plug anything later, let me know.
Okay.
E-Money.
Oh, jeez.
What? If your sideburns were a cheap lunch back in the day that our parents would give us, they'd be the Lunchables of sideburns.
Dude, those were really good.
All right, what?
I'll take it. You know why?
Why?
Because the Andy's Mint was the bomb.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Oh. Dude, that's
The question is, was the Lunchables better than... Which Lunchables was really good? Was it the ham and the cheese one or the pizza one?
It was bologna.
Bologna. Gosh, you know, this guy's got 101 like Lunchables facts, man. First thrift store we're going to is a Goodwill. It's on Lake Austin Boulevard. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna get down Central right now and do all that. Should be, I think we're gonna find some good stuff. I love rainy day thrifting. You can find some really good things here in Austin, Texas. Do you ever thrift rainy days?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I would have been garage selling if it wasn't raining.
Well, duh. Hey, Kaiser. Best flip lately.
I was in Dallas at a pawn shop and I found a brand new Epson projector that I sold for $1,700 and only paid $170.
What? eBay or what?
eBay.
Did you get good feedback yet?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I don't know. It's on my other account. So.
Okay, cool. Well, that's good though. It's okay. That's an okay flip. Yeah, that's a really good flip actually. Before we get to this thrift store, hey, how old are you and how long have you been thrifting?
Since like 13 or so I started. So
Really?
It's probably 7 years, but like seriously, 3 or 4.
3 or 4, seriously. And this is a good way to make money if you're young, right?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man, the opportunities are, you know, you learn this. That's like my biggest regret was not figuring out hustling like way earlier. But then again, just how the cards, you know, kind of fall on the deck, I guess. But I hope people find my channel. And I hope people get inspired by it. Because man, if I could just tap into if I can get a 13-year-old to start this now, like that's crazy. All right, we're here. Hey, what's up? You gotta find smalls though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no big things here. Sprayground. It looked like Bape. I have no idea. What does it feel like? No, it's cheap. See, like, you gotta do the feel test. You think something's expensive, feel, make sure it's built well, and then look further. All right, picking up this racket. Picking up this bag right there. E-Money, getting some golf clubs. All right, just got done with a Goodwill. Got a Wilson Encode white racket in here. Should sell for around 60 to 80. Paid 8 for it. You can polybag that. It's so easy. I mean, obviously the racket is very stiff. It's good to go. So a poly bag, you sandwich it, you know, from both ends. Boom, that's how that gets shipped. Here we have a Sprayground backpack in the camo Sharky or camo Shark Tooth kind of colorway, pretty cool. This is a TBD. It's probably going to be a $60 to $80 backpack sale. This is a $13 backpack, and that's what's up. So we're going to go to the next thrift store. E-Money did get some golf clubs he's paying for them right now. This $20 golf thingy, right?
Yeah.
Checking the pockets right now. There are a couple burner things in there, burner irons. This is probably just to clean your shaft, E-Money. All right, so just show us the best one.
I haven't looked it up, but it's probably going to be this one.
Okay.
Okay, this putter, you've got a few burners, probably like a burner set, some miscellaneous, and a Titleist driver.
So we have a Scotty, Cameron, and putter here. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. So what do you think on that Scotty Cameron?
Well, 150.
Really, on this thing?
Yeah.
Something like that. Okay. Not too bad. So E-Money just spent 20 bucks for all this, and that's what's up. He's gonna, you know, still some other things like TBD kind of stuff, but very good hustle. Oh snap! The Savers from back in the day turned into a Goodwill. Check it out. This is my first time going to this Goodwill. It just opened Monday, and we'll see if we can find anything here. I hope they let hustlers in. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Let's check it out. Sporting the Island Vans. You guys ready to make some money?
Yeah.
Let's do it. They're taxing so hard on this main hunting shoe, LL Bean main hunting shoe. They want 40 bucks for this thing, but this thing is in really good condition. Look at that. Oh my god. This is probably a buy, but I'm gonna proof myself on this one.
Gopetex.
What? Gopetex. Dude, that is hilarious. Emerson, you should see that.
That is so funny.
Gopetex. Confirming this keyboard purchase, or what are you doing? So E-Money's gonna pop on a keyboard. How much is it here?
30 bucks.
How much can you sell for, you think?
80.
Okay. What kind of keyboard is it, by the way?
It's a Yamaha PSR E 233.
Cool, and I got a nice case with it.
Yep.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna go to this coffee shop real quick. Patika. We've never been here before. You ready to get some different coffee, man?
Yeah.
All right. You want to get a coffee? Let's do it. Small coffee shop.
Hey, you know what? If you were a superhero,
I already know.
you would be the Aquaman.
I would be the Aquaman of superheroes. We got them coming. Dopios are coming. Here we go. Here we go. So we got our Dopios here. Smells good. What does it smell like, man?
Dark.
Dark? It smells like dark.
Smells like dark.
That's pretty good. Smells like orange.
Smells like dark.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is, oh my god. What does it taste like?
That's your first Doppio ever.
Ooh, this is a 3-odd Doppio, man. Holy moly, this is good. What does it taste like, man?
It's just super, super dark coffee with a little hint of.
All right, so is it sweet? Is it sour? Is it pungent? Is it putrid? Is it? What do you think?
It's a little sweet or maybe sour a little.
Okay. Is it tolerable? Can you tolerate it?
In this portion.
It's a quick hit. Farmers market time. Got the Yeti on me. We're gonna get some eggs. What up, dude?
Hey Chris, how you doing, man?
Doing all right.
What are you gonna do with that?
I made my egg order yesterday, I think.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you saw it?
Yesterday, I believe it was
Yeah.
like 2 in the morning or something.
Did it come in from Baudam? I'm just kidding.
No, it didn't come from Baudam.
Oh,
That's
man.
exactly what I said. I was laying in bed and my wife's like, "We got another order." I said, "Baudam."
We gotta get the handshake on camera there. There we go. Gotta get the beautiful eggs on camera too. Oh, look at that.
They're getting big.
Yeah, I've been cracking his eggs lately, and some of them are. I got a twofer, by the way.
Oh yeah.
I got one the other day, meaning like there's 2 yolks in there. Anyway, but yeah, they're big, really big lately. That's what she said. But yeah, for real. All right, next Goodwill. We're at the boutique. Ultimate Pro Gym. Emerson, you might like this. This has got everything. All right. Looky, looky. Oh my God, they have some Franco Fortinis here. No way. Wow. This is a huge pass. Yo, man, you got some pants right there from Goodwill?
$5 at the garage sale. $10 at Goodwill.
Oh, dude. Next stop, Easy Pawn, and we're gonna check this out. I'm not gonna bring the camera in because that can really ruin the deal, freak people out. So if we find anything here, I'll let you know. He's probably gonna find something. I bet you're gonna find something. You're like Pawn Master, aren't you?
Yeah, go for the clearance section.
Okay, so what'd you find, man?
A Leica distance meter. This is a E7500i. I paid $160, gonna sell for about $400 on Amazon. Pretty good sales rank. So they had two of them. One was marked at $220, and they wouldn't do the $150 on it, so I had to pass. But look out for Leica stuff.
All right, we're on the pursuit for our mail truck because I have to send out a birthday card. We have an eBay thing also to get out, and then yeah, there's some Strella stuff right here. Yes. In this box. Ooh, there it is. Oh, it's going out. That lady was so.
Put it on your story.
Oh, that lady was so unhappy to take my boxes. Lady, take my package. You want it. Okay, so this day is gonna come to an end. We're gonna get some tacos in here. It should be a lot of fun. Let's go check out these tacos. What do Austin tacos look like for you guys that maybe are seeing this? For you guys that are seeing this for the first time, breakfast tacos apparently are a really big thing here. Hey man, you're from Arkansas and breakfast tacos don't exist there really.
No.
But in Central Texas and stuff, you said it's like capital of the world?
Yeah.
Do you guys have breakfast tacos in your hometown? Let us know. All right, let's get in here. Yeah. Hey. We're here in Taco Deli, about to get the tacos. You know, you gotta hold back on a day like this. It's not the greatest day, and so you gotta stay close to your money. Outside of that, you know, I'm glad I went out. But I think next weekend, if it doesn't rain, it's gonna be epic.
Sure, last time.
All right, look at that.
Is that shrimp?
Oh man, what's going on here, dude?
I lost one.
Oh no, we have a victim.
He lost a taco.
Taco Deli fail.
I've never seen that in the history of me filming in Taco Deli. I've never seen someone lose a taco.
We're gonna have a little snack later, guys. A little snacky.
Oh, a little snack, Emerson.
Little Heather.
Yeah.
Who doesn't want a Heather for a snack?
Wow. Look at that. That looks good. Tacos, we're gonna eat them. And we are gonna go to the antique booth for 1 second after this. So, see you in a little bit. Those tacos were delicious, but we're sitting here at the antique mall, which is equally as delicious if you could eat it. I'm gonna show Kaiser my booth real quick. And yeah, I'm actually here to pick up a pair of boots. I'll explain later, you'll see. We're sitting at Bonafide's booth, he's looking around.
Half off.
Yeah, man, I gotta get some of this inventory down. Yeah, I'm actually looking for a pair of boots that I got an offer on. The weird thing is, I don't know where they are at my house. They're here somewhere, I think in the booth, but no. All right, so I actually went to the booth to locate a pair of boots that I got an offer on eBay for that were double listed, and thank God I went to the booth because they must have sold here in the past 2 weeks. And I did make the connection to take it off my eBay store at that time. But anyway, so I declined the offer and I removed the boots and I'm deleting them off my eBay. I think, man, I was close, but I got a good offer for $70 on a pair of boots that were like 10 bucks. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, we're at Kaiser's truck and we're gonna do the swap of, what'd you buy? That one thing. We're gonna do the Leica swap.
Something else.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Leica swap here. You need help swapping that? No. To your truck? All right, cool. So it was good to see him again. I saw him in the Arkansas vlog and everything like that, or when I was doing Arkansas mountain biking out there. I did a meetup, he was there. But yeah, it's good to see him. We'll probably see him again when I go to Arkansas, probably in September or October-ish. So if you're interested, Rogers, Fayetteville, Bentonville area is more than likely I'll have a meetup around there. Anything else to the camera, man?
About it.
All right, thanks for coming, dude.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can win that auction.
Yeah, it was good. Oh yeah, he bid on something in the auction at a Goodwill today that would sell for around how much?
400.
400. He bid 40 on it. So if he gets it, that's really good. Outside of that, he's doing a thrift trip in his four-wheel drive little 4Runner over here. That's pretty cool. So he came all the way from Arkansas. He did Houston. He's gonna do Dallas after this, San Antonio. So yeah. Anyways, pretty cool. And you're 20 years old, right?
Yep.
Crazy.